We've got the red onions already cut, and now I'm just going to add the red wine vinegar into it. Take my ring off, and then just squeeze. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and keep working those onions in.
First things first, we're going to mix the patties for the hamburgers. 650 grams of beef with 150 grams of lamb, mixed thoroughly. Okay, the meat is now mixed, and I'm going to grate some celery, 1 stick of celery, and it's going to be grated as well, followed by a grated brown onion. They're all going to go in the meat, of course. And then the last thing I'm going to grate will be 2 cloves of garlic. They're going to get grated on a fine sieve. It all gets mixed in thoroughly with the meat.
Now I've got some fresh parsley, and I'm just going to
there you go, the mixture's all together. Now we'll just add some salt, some pepper, right on cue, as if I knew what was coming. The next thing, of course, will be the panko breadcrumbs. I prefer panko breadcrumbs because they're not so dry, and they retain the moisture a lot more. The egg, 1 egg should be sufficient, is sufficient to keep all the patties together, and of course top it off with my all-time favorite, olive oil. How can we have anything without olive oil? Difficult concept indeed. So there we go, it's all there. So just a light mix now, and add it to the meat. And as you can see, I'm not going to overdo it. It's ready to go. And in it goes with the meat. And once that happens, there's only one way to fix this to continue, and that's use your hands. So using your hands, just thoroughly mix it all together. And there's it's a very tactile thing, food, isn't it? I love it. So once we do that, I usually pat it together down like that and give it 20 minutes on the side to rest. Just absorbs more flavour. While that's happening, I'm going to cut up the sweet potato, cut the ends off and peel it, and I'm going to roughly cut it into chips. They're going to go in the oven with the patties and the bacon, so all going to get cooked at the same time. So there we go. Cut it in half, and then of course cut it lengthwise and into patties, into chips. Patties. Not hard. Not a hard process at all. Put them in the bowl, a little bit of olive oil, give them a good toss in there, and then they go into the oven dish. And you'll see how, there we go. And I've got 1 patty. I'm going to make 1 hamburger. The rest, of course, is going to be eaten tonight with my family. And gets patted down lightly, don't over flatten it, and in it goes. Now, in a about 10-15 minutes or so, the bacon goes in, and there we go, the bacon's already gone in and it's ready. It's a very easy recipe, very healthy. Whoever wants cheese, the cheese goes in now, so it'll melt over the patty. There's your hamburger buns, they get buttered, and of course then the building of the hamburger begins. The first thing I'm going to put in there is the meat patty with the melted cheese all over it, then followed by the bacon. God, it's as if I knew what, I've got a third sense, I knew what was coming. And then the onions, of course, no, they're by now, they're really pickled in that red wine vinegar. After that, of course, some mustard, your favourite mustard, and some ketchup, or we call a sauce. Beetroot, love beetroot in the hamburger. Tomato slices, and my secret ingredient, yes, it's going in now. I wonder if you know what that is. Adds a sweetness to the hamburger. Lettuce, and the second bun goes on top, and that's it. That burger is ready to go. How easy was that? Yes, the secret ingredient, of course, was the apple. Once more, thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed what I made. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. Bye for now, Alex.